Hi wrestling fans, in this video we are revealing the real ages of male wrestlers. You will be surprised who turns 79 in 2025 and who's just 20 and already making waves in the ring. Let's dive in. Vince McMahon, born in 1945, commands attention even at 79 in 2025. Bob Orton Jr., the original Cowboys, is proud at 74 this year. Bret Hart, born in 1957, carries his legacy at age 67. Kevin Hart, the big man with cool vibes, turns 65 in 2025. The Great Muta, a legend from 1962, mastifies the ring even at 62. Paul Heyman, born in 1965, remains iconic at age 59. Ricochet, also from 1965, brings legacy and laughter at 59 in 2025. Goldberg, the powerhouse since 1966, still roars is 58 today. Shane McMahon, born in 1970, hits age 55 with flair and charm. Chris Jericho, a rock star of the ring since 1970, stands tall at 54 in 2025. Big Show, the giant born in 1972, is now a calm strong at 53. The Great Khali, also from 72, lives his legend at age 52. Matt Hardy, came in 1974, is still extreme at heart, celebrates 50 in 2025. Alberto Del Rio, born in 1977, brings the heat at 47. Sin Cara, another 1977 star, also marks age at 47 this year. CM Punk, the straight edge rebel since 1978, stays bold at 46 in 2025. Samoa Joe, born in 1979, balances power and precision at 45. Randy Orton, the Viper, born in 1980, clocks in at age 44. The Miz, also from 1980, proves his worth again at 44 in 2025. Eric Rowan, the Quiet Storm from 1981, now walks steady at 43. LA Knight, born in 1982, rises high with charisma at age 42. Chris Sabin, also from 82, hit 42 in 2025 with X Division pride. Luke Gallows, towering since 1983, remains fierce at age 41. Sami Zayn, born in 1984, brings emotion and skill at age 40. Kevin Owens, another 1984 warrior, continues to fight at 40 in 2025. Rusev, also from 1984, lives on with a crush at 40. Jimmy Uso, so, but half of the twins was born in 1985 and is now aged 39. Tommaso Ciampa, the Blackheart from 85, remains constant at 39 in 2025. Zack Ryder, wooing since 1985, also stands proud at 39. Gunther, the ring general from 1987, dominates at 37. Ricochet, the high flyer born in 1988, is still dazzling at 36 in 2025. Platoon, the cruiserweight from 93, carries great at age 31. Carmelo Hayes, born in 1994, brings flash and gold at age 30 in 2025. That's it for the real ages of WWE wrestlers in 2025. From legends nearing 80 to rookies in their 20s, the future and past collide in the ring. Stay tuned for more.